Welcome to our daily offer on no deposit bonus. So on today's opportunity, what we'll be discussing on today's offer is this particular app. It is a 100,000 no deposit bonus offer. So all you just have to do is to download this app. I've already made a video on this particular app initially, so the reason why I'm making a video again is probably you were unable to pass the challenge the other time when I posted the video. So here's another offer for you again to try the challenge again. So after you fail the challenge, you'll be able to refresh your account after, I think after 2 weeks or after a month. So you'll be able to join the internship again afresh. So all you just have to do is to go back to your account, click on start. So here are the goal. Your weekly target is $250, and your and your monthly target in total is $1,000. So those are the those are the offers for the whole thing. You will start trading from Monday to Friday, and you're able to trade just only the currency pairs. Commodity won't be allowed. So those are the simple rules and regulations. All you just have to do is to take enter the trade. Here are the currency pairs you can trade on. Download the app. I've already made the video on how to go about the registration initially. Check the link below this video. You surely see the guide on how to download the app, how to register for the app. You see it under this video. Just jump on it as soon as you can and register. Don't forget, it is 100,000 no deposit bonus. Immediately you jump on it, you'll be given an offer. So once you pass the whole thing, once you pass the whole target, then you'll be able to proceed to the funded phase, whereby you'll be able to trade with a real money. So it's as easy as that. Just jump on it as soon as you can and trade the account freely. Don't forget, in case you didn't pass this time again, just wait after a few weeks, maybe 2 weeks or 3 weeks, then your account will be reset again, and you'll be able to restart again until you pass the account. That's how easy it is. So see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, share with others, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys. See you guys in my next video. Take care.